This is our house. This is our house.
Please tell me you weren't videoing that. That can't be on video, dude.
You look cute. That's what I'm doing.
Can you redo that? Because that was an embarrassing conversation there. Please. Corinne? I'm serious.
Library.
Cereal.
This is outside. You can't see it now, but outside our house is a volcano. Volcano Arenal. It's amazing. Let's go downstairs. Find the boys. I wonder if they're changing. What are they doing? Hi guys!
How you doing, Corinne?
Hi Andy. And Dimitri. What is he doing? Oh, he's washing his clothes. Okay. This is one of the bedrooms. And fire extinguisher. And no, it can't go in the oven. This is the second bedroom. Yeah. And we have big showers. Woo! Alright. And a lovely sitting area. Does it work?